Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with yet another super quick and healthy recipe called the protein pancake. This makes for a very nutritious breakfast which can be prepared instantly and fits right into today's fast-paced lifestyle. So without further ado, let's begin. We would need oats, eggs, bananas, yogurt, milk, vanilla essence, honey and protein powder, which is optional. Add in all the ingredients in a blender jar. You can either add the honey now or later while serving the pancakes. Blend the ingredients into a batter consistency. The consistency that we are looking for is neither too stiff nor too runny. If your batter doesn't have a flowy consistency, add in some more milk and give it a good mix. Once the batter is ready, it's time to prepare the pancakes. Here we are using a smaller pan which helps in making perfectly round pancakes. But if you don't have these, you can use a regular pan too. Start with coating the pan with oil. We need just enough to avoid the pancake from sticking to the pan. Once the pan is hot enough, it's time to pour in the batter. When the pancake releases easily from one side, it's time to flip it around. After a minute or two, use a fork or a toothpick to poke through the pancake. If it comes out clean, your pancake is ready to be removed from the heat. Repeat the same procedure to make rest of the pancakes. Once all your pancakes are ready, stack them up, top them up with fruits and nuts of your choice. Drizzle some honey or maple syrup for added sweetness. And there you have it, your delicious protein-packed pancake ready to eat. Start your day with this and never feel low on energy again. Thank you for visiting our channel. Until next time, eat healthy, stay healthy. Have a great day.